Buckle up, decor dreamers. Get ready to embark on a journey of jaw-dropping transformations. Today, we're revealing the ultimate home decor secrets that will make your space scream wow. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a decor extravaganza like never before. Let's dive in and make your home the talk of the town. Hello everybody, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our cozy little corner of the internet, HD Interiors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home decor, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Have you ever felt like your home needs a little pick-me-up, a touch of magic to make it truly yours? Well, you're in the right place, because we've got the top 8 home decor ideas that are about to transform your space into a haven of style and comfort. Now, I know what you're thinking, where do I even begin? Don't worry, we've got your back. Whether you're a decor enthusiast or a total newbie, these ideas are not only easy to implement, but will also leave your guests wondering if you hired a professional designer. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, cozy up on that couch, and let's embark on a journey to revitalize your living space. Without further ado, let's jump right into the first game changer, statement wall magic. Picture this, you walk into a room, and your eyes are immediately drawn to a wall that's not just a wall, it's a statement, a burst of personality that sets the tone for the entire space. That's the magic of a statement wall, and boy, does it make a difference. Now, let's break it down. First up, we've got the power of bold paint colors. Think beyond the beige and explore shades that speak to your soul. Whether it's a daring teal or a warm, earthy terracotta, a splash of vibrant color can turn that blank canvas into a visual masterpiece. But wait, we're just getting started. How about diving into the world of wallpaper? Trust me, it's not your grandma's floral print anymore. Modern wallpapers come in an array of patterns and textures, from geometric wonders to subtle, elegant designs. Peel and stick options make it a breeze to transform your space without committing to a lifelong relationship with a particular pattern. Now, if you're feeling a bit sentimental, why not turn that wall into a gallery showcasing your life's journey? Family photos, travel snapshots, or even a collection of your favorite artworks can come together to tell your unique story. It's like a visual autobiography right in your living room. So, there you have it, statement walls that go beyond paint and plaster, making your home a canvas of memories and style. But hang tight, we've got plenty more decor tricks up our sleeves. Now, let's talk about a game changer that's not just about aesthetics, but also brings a breath of fresh air into your home, quite literally. We're diving into the concept of a green oasis, where nature meets your living space. Why settle for 4 walls when you can have a lush, green haven right at home? Plants, my friends, are the secret weapon of every savvy decorator. Not only do they add a touch of vibrancy, but they also purify the air and create a calming atmosphere. It's like inviting a bit of the great outdoors into your personal sanctuary. Think about it, a strategically placed indoor plant can transform a dull corner into a lively nook. But the magic doesn't stop with the plant itself, it's all about the presentation. Stylish planters and pots can turn your green companions into chic decor elements. From modern geometric designs to vintage-inspired ceramics, the options are endless. Now, for those of you with a bit of a green thumb, consider taking it up a notch with vertical gardens or hanging planters. Imagine a cascading wall of greenery, making a bold statement and utilizing vertical space. It's a fantastic way to showcase your love for nature while maximizing the use of your walls. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just dipping your toes into the world of indoor greenery, creating a green oasis is a surefire way to transform your home into a tranquil retreat. Stay with us, because our next stop is all about creating your own cozy corner retreat. Alright, buckle up, because we're about to turn a corner, literally, and dive into the art of creating your very own cozy corner retreat. We all crave that spot in our homes where we can kick back, unwind, and just be ourselves. Well, let's make that dream a reality. First things first, imagine sinking into a comfy reading chair that's practically calling your name. Add a throw blanket for that extra touch of coziness. You know, the kind that makes you want to curl up with a good book for hours. And don't skimp on the pillows and cushions. The more, the merrier. It's all about creating an inviting nook that practically begs you to take a load off. Now, let's talk lighting. Soft, ambient lighting can transform any space into an instant retreat. Consider adding a floor or table lamp with warm, gentle light to set the mood. Maybe even throw in some fairy lights for that magical touch, because who doesn't love a bit of whimsy? The key here is personalization. This is your cozy corner, so don't be afraid to add a personal touch. Whether it's a small bookshelf with your favorite reads, a side table for your coffee mug or tea, or even a scented candle to set the mood, make it uniquely yours. So there you have it, folks, your very own cozy corner retreat is just a few well-chosen pieces away. Stay tuned because our next home decor gem is all about mirrors, reflecting style and space. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Let's talk about mirrors, my friends, because they're not just for checking out your fabulous self, although that's a nice bonus, isn't it? Mirrors have this incredible ability to reflect style and even make a space feel larger than life. First off, let's address the space thing. If you've got a room that's feeling a bit cramped, consider throwing up a large mirror. It's like a magic portal to a roomier universe, seriously. The reflection creates the illusion of more space, making even the tiniest of rooms feel open and airy. Now, let's get into the fun stuff, decorative mirrors. Gone are the days of boring, basic rectangles. We're talking about mirrors that are like works of art, stealing the spotlight in the best way possible. From intricate frames to quirky shapes, there's a mirror out there for every style. And for the bold at heart, why not create a mirror gallery wall? It's a fantastic way to add depth and interest to a room. Mix and match different sizes and styles for a look that's uniquely yours. Trust me, it's an instant upgrade that'll have your guests doing double takes, in the best way, of course. So, whether you're looking to make your space feel bigger or just want to add a touch of glamour, mirrors are the secret weapon you've been missing. But hey, we're not done yet. Stick around because the next section is all about getting hands-on with your decor, personalized touch through DIY. Alright, DIY enthusiasts and creative souls, this one's for you. We're diving headfirst into the world of personalized touch, where your decor becomes a canvas for your unique self-expression. Now, there's something truly special about adding a personal touch to your space. It's not just about buying off the shelf, it's about crafting a home that tells your story. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the DIY spirit. First up, let's talk about customized wall art. Don't be afraid to get those creative juices flowing. Whether you're a painter, a photographer, or a doodler extraordinaire, your walls are a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. Create a mural, frame your masterpieces, or even make a collage. It's your chance to showcase what makes you, well, you. But DIY isn't just limited to the walls. How about handcrafting some decor items? From unique vases to one-of-a-kind candle holders, the possibilities are endless. Not only do you get to unleash your inner artisan, but you'll also have pieces that no one else on the planet has. Talk about exclusivity! And for the eco-warriors among us, let's talk about upcycling. Take that old piece of furniture sitting in the corner and give it a new lease on life. A fresh coat of paint, some creative embellishments, and voila, you've got a statement piece that's both sustainable and stylish. So, there you have it, DIY decor to infuse your space with personality and charm. But stay tuned, because our next decor adventure is all about lighting up your life. Lighting matters. Let's shed some light on the situation, shall we? Because when it comes to home decor, lighting matters a lot. It's not just about banishing the shadows, it's about setting the mood, creating ambience, and turning your space into a haven of warmth and style. First off, let's talk statement light fixtures. Think of them as the jewelry of your home, the dazzling earrings or a bold necklace that ties the whole look together. Whether it's a quirky pendant light, a sleek chandelier, or even a funky floor lamp, choose lighting fixtures that reflect your personality and become conversation starters. But lighting isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Enter layered lighting, the secret sauce to creating different moods in a single space. Mix and match ambient lighting with task lighting and accent lighting to create a dynamic atmosphere. It's like having your own personal lighting orchestra, and you get to be the conductor. Now, let's step into the future with smart lighting solutions. Picture this, the ability to control the brightness and color of your lights with just a tap on your phone. It's not just convenient, it's downright cool. Set the mood for movie night, energize your space for a productive workday, or simply bask in the cozy glow of a lazy Sunday afternoon, all at the touch of a button. So, whether you're into the drama of statement lighting, the subtlety of layered illumination, or the futuristic vibes of smart lighting, one thing's for sure, lighting matters, and it's about to take your home decor game to a whole new level. Stick around because our next decor adventure is all about adding depth and interest, texture play. Alright, let's dive into the world of decor where you can literally feel the difference, texture play. We're talking about adding layers, depth, and a touch me now kind of vibe to your living space. First off, let's cozy up that floor with some plush rugs and carpets. There's something about sinking your toes into a soft, luxurious rug that takes the comfort level up a notch. Whether it's a faux fur masterpiece or a hand-woven wonder, the right rug can transform a room from chilly to downright snuggly. Now, let's turn our attention to the walls. Textured wall coverings are like the unsung heroes of home decor. From rustic, exposed brick to elegant wainscoting, these additions not only add visual interest but also create a tactile experience. It's the kind of detail that your eyes and fingertips will thank you for. But texture isn't limited to the floors and walls. It's time to mix and match materials in your decor. Think about it, a smooth marble countertop paired with a rustic wooden coffee table or a sleek leather couch against a backdrop of woven textiles. It's the play of textures that adds that extra layer of richness to your space. So, whether you're a fan of the velvety, the rugged, or the smooth, texture play is the secret sauce to making your home a multi-sensory experience. Now, let's talk about creating a space that's clean, chic, and oh so inviting, minimalism with a twist. It's all about finding beauty in simplicity and adding that personal touch to make it uniquely yours. First things first, let's break down the essence of minimalism. We're talking about clean lines, clutter-free spaces, and a neutral color palette. But here's where the twist comes in, we're not afraid to inject a pop of personality. Minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing your individual style, it's about showcasing it in a more curated way. Think of your space as a blank canvas with strategic color pops. Maybe it's a vibrant throw pillow on a sleek sofa or a bold piece of artwork against a crisp white wall. These splashes of color become the focal points, adding visual interest without overwhelming the space. Now, let's talk about decor accessories. In a minimalist setting, each piece counts, so choose wisely. It could be a statement vase, a carefully selected sculpture, or even a unique coffee table. These are the elements that bring warmth and character to your space, making it feel like home. And don't forget about functional and stylish furniture. Minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Invest in pieces that serve a purpose while looking effortlessly chic. Maybe it's a streamlined bookshelf, a modular sofa, or a sleek dining table. Each item should earn its keep in your minimalist haven. Well, there you have it, fellow decorators. We've taken a whirlwind tour through the realms of home decor, exploring 8 transformative ideas that can turn your space into a haven of style, comfort, and pure magic. From the bold strokes of statement wall magic to the soothing vibes of your very own green oasis, we've seen how every corner of your home has the potential to be a canvas for your personality and creativity. We ventured into the cozy corner retreat, where comfort meets style, and we reflected on the power of mirrors to not only add flair but also create an illusion of space. Then, we got hands-on with DIY, infusing your space with a personalized touch that no store-bought item can replicate. We lit up our lives with the understanding that lighting matters, adding layers of ambience and functionality. We explored the tactile wonderland of texture play, where rugs, walls, and materials come together to create a space you not only see but also feel. Finally, we delved into minimalism with a twist, finding beauty in simplicity while letting our personal style shine through. Now, the real magic happens when you combine these ideas, mix and match, and create a home that's uniquely yours. So, whether you're a maximalist at heart or a minimalist with a flair for drama, remember that your home is your canvas, and the brush is in your hands. We've had a blast on this decor adventure, and we hope you're feeling inspired to transform your space into something truly extraordinary. Don't forget to share your favorite ideas or your own decor adventures in the comments below. But hey! Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this whirlwind of home decor inspiration, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button if you find a new idea to try, subscribe to stay tuned for more decor adventures, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks again for hanging out with us today. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your home be filled with warmth, style, and all the good vibes.